Gavana Busia Apollo Tuomo Yenegen kod pek modhure sekta mar thieth koting'o ng'ikruok e weche mag thieth e ute mantiere mago mag thieth kaunti no. Yango ni okalo chik mar bero ute mag thieth kendo jiwo buo jod bura mag kaunti ya Busia mondo kas chenro mar podho chik mabiro ni ute thieth oketi rang'iny mowinjore. Magi timore kinde ma jopiny e kaunti ya Busia chano bago ng'anyo mar sundo sirikal e kaunti ya Busia mondo mi ober weche mag thieth. Rawerego machano bago ng'anyo Bumala kod boma ma Busia koni tend kaunti ya Busia oserem keto kare chenro manyalo loko ngima oganda.
Hiyo mambo kumepitisha FIF bill, they always say better late than never. Mimi nimekuwa kule Machakos. Hii bill walipitisha 2018. Mumeona Homa Bay. Naona wengine wanaongea sana. Homa Bay we were the same level. But walipitisha hiyo bill yao na mumeona wameweza kuconnect revenue. So this bill ambayo imepitishwa na Assembly, I want to thank you. It is one of the steps that is needed to help us revamp our health delivery.
Hakuna huduma. Madaktari wetu wote sahi wanakimbilia hospitali za kibinafsi. Ni hali ambayo imetukasirisha sana kama wakazi wa Busia na vijana wa Busia.
But most of the times nikienda huko, sata most of the times, every time nikienda huko, lazima ninunue gloves, 30 bob. Aya, hizo specimen bottles pia wanakuambia ulipie. So mimi najiuliza, tutakuwa tunatibiwa kwa hizi hospitali za serikali ama tukwetu tunaenda private?